Hello future art cream. So for today's video, let's discuss the four nature of criminology. So we have the applied science, second we have the social science, the third one we have the dynamics, and the last one is we have the nationalistics. So kapag sinabi nating applied science, ibig sabihin ang criminology daw po ay gumagamit po ng different sciences or iba't ibang siyensya. Kaya nandyan po yung tinatawag nating instrumentation. Halimbawa, we have the question document examination, we have the polygraph, the forensic ballistics, at marami pa pong iba. When we say social sciences naman, ibig sabihin, a crime is a social creation. Ibig sabihin, kung merong society, merong community, nandoon din po yung krimen. In short, ang pinagbumulan daw po ng krimen is mismo sa society. When we say dynamic, ibig sabihin, ang criminology daw po ay nagbabago. And the last one, we have the nationalistics. Ibig sabihin, the study of crimes must be in relation with the existing criminal law. And kailangan yan po ay within the territory or the country. So, yan po ang ating fourth nature of criminology or kabuuan po ng ating criminology. Ang daming nagtatanong kung magkano daw yung libro na binibenta natin, which is yung Criminology New Curriculum All Areas. So, ayan, ipapakita ko sa inyo future art creams, yung nilalaman ng ating libro. So, by the way, this is the book. Ayan. So, medyo lukot-lukot na siya dito sa ibaba kasi nga, gamit na gamit ko siya future art cream. Ginagamit ko siya sa pagbibigay ng lectures, paggagawa ng mga question and answers. So, ano bang nilalaman ng ating Criminology New Curriculum All Areas? So, ayan, feature art creams. So, ayan, no. Gamit na gamit ko siya feature art creams. Halos masira na siya. So, dito pa lang sa first page, nandyan na agad yung table of contents. Nandyan yung, ayan, criminal law, law enforcement, crime detection, forensic science, correctional administration, and criminology. So, dito sa criminal law and jurisprudence and procedures, papasok agad dyan yung intro to PCGS. So, nandyan yung ibig sabihin ng CGS, and the 5 pillars of CGS, and the 3 pillars of CGS. Andyan yung substantive, procedural, presumption, and etc. Sa susunod naman, halos mga ganyan feature art creams. So, sobrang solid neto. Ayun, Kung si teacher ninyo feature art creams ay nagpapagawa ng 500 definition of terms, and sulit na sulit to. Ayan, So, next, ayan. So, ang daming hirap na buksan, Ayan, Yan din yung human rights. So, ayan, human rights. Ayan. So, ang dami niyan. Ayan. So, ayan. So, sobrang kapal din neto feature art creams. Ayan, sobrang kapal. And, hanggang page 366. Diba? For only 849 pesos, feature art creams, makukuha mo na siya. Sulit na sulit yan, all areas pa. So, ilalagay ko yung link dito sa yellow basket or isearch nyo sa Shopee MS Criminology. So, meron na tayo doon 1.3 sold. So, maraming salamat!